Welcome to 1215 Apartments, located in Calgary's friendliest neighborhood, the Beltline. Close to transit, shopping, hospital, schools and restaurants. 1215 Apartments is a brand new property offering a range of floor plans to suit various lifestyles: townhouses, studio, one-bedroom, two-bedroom, and lavish penthouse suites. This luxury apartment features sophisticated finishes with amazing safety features that support urban community living. Suite offers wood-style luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Gourmet kitchens with everything you need, featuring high-gloss white contemporary cabinets and gray quartz countertops with subway tile backsplash. Counter area for stools in most suites, excluding 01 and 02 suites. Quartz solid surface desk area available in most suites. Floor-to-ceiling windows with window coverings. Spacious private balconies with every suite. 5 top-of-the-line appliances: stainless steel fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher and washer/dryer. Building features: underground, secured and assigned parking. Large outdoor patio area with a barbecue and seating. Fitness room. Pet-friendly cats and dogs under 30 pounds are accepted. 25% off home services, internet, cable, home phone provided by TELUS. On-site management. Professional overnight security patrols.